This podcast is sponsored by ScienceBasedLearning.com. Discover a passion-driven language learning system that combines ebooks, audiobooks, and videos with the science of spaced repetition. Maximize your learning and retention today at ScienceBasedLearning.com.
Mastering the QO pronunciation rule in Spanish. Discover how the Q followed by U rule in Spanish ensures consistent pronunciation, with examples and exceptions. Essential insights for Spanish learners. The role of Q and U in Spanish. A linguistic insight. For learners of Spanish, understanding the foundational rules of pronunciation and spelling is essential. One such rule pertains to the use of the letter Q, which is invariably followed by the letter U and pronounced like que. This is a critical rule that influences not only pronunciation but also spelling. The rule explained. The combination of the letters Q and U is a consistent feature in Spanish, resulting in phonetic pronunciation akin to the English ka. Whenever you encounter ko in words, it produces the casia sound. This duo, iku, never represents any other phonetic sound in Spanish. Consider these examples. ¿Qué? What? ¿Por qué? Because. Quiero, I want. In each of these instances, the word presents a clear kikeki sound with the kiyu, emphasizing the rule's consistency across different contexts and word types. Exceptions and special considerations. While the rule that Q is always followed by U and pronounced like ka is broadly applicable, Spanish presents a few contexts that warrant special attention, notably involving foreign loanwords and names. Qatar, a country name where Q is not followed by U or pronounced like K. Quorum, though typically maintaining format as a borrowed term, it follows English pronunciation nuances. The omnipresence of global language exchange introduces such examples, demonstrating that while foundational rules exist, the Spanish language, like any other, absorbs external influences that may create minor exceptions. Application and learning reinforcement. Practice with purpose. Regularly practice Spanish words using the Kibu structure to solidify understanding and mastery. Speak and listen. Engage in listening exercises and spoken practice to internalize the phonetic characteristics of the KOU rule. Use contextual learning. Incorporate these words into sentences, enhancing contextual grasp and application. By integrating these strategies into your learning routine, proficiency in recognizing and correctly utilizing instances of Q can be greatly enhanced. Conclusion. Understanding the consistent pattern in which Q is followed by U and pronounced as que is vital for accurate communication in Spanish. While language continues to evolve, such foundational rules create a framework for learners to engage confidently with Spanish. Remember, consistent practice and exposure to language contexts are key components of effective language acquisition. For further study and resources, visit ScienceBasedLearning.com. If you are eager to deepen your understanding of Spanish grammar and structures, get your copy of our comprehensive guides and materials.